In this video, we'll be creating the adjustable nut of pipe wrench. This component is responsible for controlling the movement of movable jaw. It plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth and precise operation of pipe wrench. The drawing files have been attached for reference. You can download the files from the link. Now let's start designing. Take new design file, set your dimensions to mm, invoke create sketch, select right plane, take circle tool, from origin draw a circle of diameter 45. Then again another circle of diameter 70. Now from solid, invoke extrude feature, select this profile, direction symmetric, measurement is wall length, distance 54. Okay. Now we'll give fillet feature. Invoke fillet feature, select this edge and this edge and give fillet of radius 2. Yes. Next from create, invoke thread feature, select this inner circular face and this parameters you can accept the default. Modeled, tick. Okay. Next we'll select this face as sketching plane. Invoke line tool. Make it construction line. From origin, draw a center line. Okay. Change construction line. And from here, draw a line. Horizontal line. Then angled line. Okay. Next we will give constraint. Symmetric constraint between these two angled line and center line. Okay. Now we'll give dimension. This distance is 5. And here it is 1. And the angle 60. Okay. Now from solid, invoke extrude feature, select this profile. Into this direction we will cut it. Extrude cut. Extend type all. Yes. Now we can give circular pattern. From create, in pattern, circular pattern. In object type, features. From timeline, select the extrude cut. Axis, you can select this. Okay. Quantity is 42. Okay. Isometric view. Now we can give appearance. Take render workspace. From appearance, okay, we will give in metal, take iron cast. Yes. Now we have given material. Close. Next we will render. in Canvas Render. Select this option. Now the component started rendering. Okay, you can capture the image from this option. Let's go to Design Workspace. Yeah, now we have successfully designed the adjustable nut, ensuring accurate dimension for seamless jaw adjustment and secure functionality. This component is essential for the wrench's adaptability and ease of use. In the next part, we'll design the remaining component.